Hi there, how's it going? Are you good? Great, quick channel update. So this was the last subscriber speaker-based video compilation, number 36. I stopped accepting videos at 35. The other day, I received about 10. Why did I choose 36? Good question. Not too sure, but 6 times 6 equals 36. Going to be doing something with an RC car, but not this one. This one. This one's a little bigger. Alright, so what we have here is something you can probably guess. It is an electric motor out of my RC car. The original one. But before I get onto this, I just wanted to say that this, me doing that was done on purpose. Just in case you thought that was an accident. And obviously it was done after I blew up the speaker. Putting this into here and... Okay, so back to this. What am I going to do with it? Well, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into my car after I take the one that's in the car out of it. And here we have the car. First, I'm going to take off the body, because the motor is underneath. Then I want to take off the wheels, because this is kind of wide. And I want to put this here. Don't really have much room, but what we can do is maybe make a bit of room. Let's see how it would look without the room made for it. Maybe without the keyboard here because the computer is on. And here it is on my desk. Got to zoom all the way out. Suspension works. Body pins, always fun to take out. This way of taking them out is easier than using your fingertips. You could even add a bit of wire like that. Spin it around and then use that. Alright, so here we have the wind chimes. There's also a hairdryer going on in the background. The body pins. They sound like wind chimes. Right. Off comes the body. Let's take this off. So I had all that hidden away underneath this because Pancake likes to chew wires. Alright, anyway, that doesn't need to come off. And I could probably leave the wheels on, but the motor is right here. Now this needs to come out too, because that doesn't work. And it's also something that I need. So I need one that will match the motor that I'm going to put in. The original motor, which means I could probably do with getting the original ESC. They all seem to be out of stock. I've had a look. And screwdriver's a little too big. Okay, that is out. Alright then, motor mounts. So I need to take this out. Oh, great. Maybe like this. Yeah. Alright, and... Nope. Okay. Probably have to flip it over. Alright, so we've got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turny, turny. Turny, turny. Turny, turny. What about now? Yes. And the next one. I did tighten them quite tight. And the next one. And the last one is going to be the difficult one. Because I've got to do it like that. Let's maybe use tools. Let's turn that way. Like so. And use this. And... Nice. Now what I've got to do is see what happens when I take them all out. Right, that one's out. Wow, that was small. Was it even the right one? Where is it? Ah, there it is. There it is. Seems like the right one. We have another one. And the last one. By the way, I am way too baked for this. Now, flip. Oh man, this is still on. And that sort of looks metallic because of all the metal shavings from the gears. Right, now that is able to come out, or at least would have been able to if I was able to get it out. This thing right here is the gay. I need more light so I can see. I see nothing. Let me maybe leave a voice memo in my voice recorder. Turn it on. I think it might just be that screw there. And anything about to fall off? Didn't hear anything. Alright, it's sort of... ah, there it is. Sorted. Put that screw back in there. There we have it. Don't know if you can tell, but there is uneven wear, as well as a bit of rust. Okay, so this wire is going down underneath, and I think into there. Out this comes. Alright, so the motor's out. This doesn't look too bad. It's not unevenly worn. I mean, it's worn a little bit, but it's not bad. Alright, so here we have both of the motors, both brushless. This one is censored, this one isn't. So the basic difference is this one isn't as smooth as this. Motor mounts. Alright, here we have the motor. That goes in like that. And the motor's back in. I'm going to try to see if I can take the magnet off of this. Just going to give it a few taps, nothing much. If I can't get it off, I can't get it off. And here we have Pancake. Right, she's gone back to the chair. Just going to whack it off gently. That's not loud. That's not making my head vibrate. Alright, wasn't expecting it to come off that easily.